Tubo, one solution for all your timekeeping needs. In this video, we'll show you how to check in and check out using the Tubo app. From the dashboard, click the Time In button to start your workday. After clicking, wait for 5 seconds to complete your time in record. Next, click the Check In and Out tab on your dashboard. Here's a short overview about the check-in and out feature. You can use this when you're working outside the company. It's mostly used by employees who are assigned on site or in another location. Now, click the check-in button. A pop-up will appear where you can enter the purpose of your check-in. In this example, we'll type sample field work. This part is optional, so you can leave it blank if you prefer. Once you're done, click the Proceed button to continue, then wait for 5 seconds while your check-in is being recorded. After you've finished your work on site or completed your task, you can now click the Check Out button to wrap up your field activity. Another pop-up will appear, this time for the checkout. You can enter the reason why you are checking out. In this example, we'll type, Done with the sample field work. This part is still optional, so you can leave it blank if you prefer. After that, click Proceed, then wait for 5 seconds while your checkout is being recorded. After syncing, scroll down to check the details of your check-in and check-out. You'll be able to see the date, status, and a breakdown of each record, including the type, time, and location. Now, here's another example. What happens if you time out without checking out? Here's the answer. In this example, I'll check in without checking out, and then I'll click the timeout button to end my shift. Now, wait for 5 seconds while the system records your timeout. Next, return to the Check-in and Out tab and sync your record. After syncing, scroll down and you'll see that the check-in we did has now been automatically checked out at the same time as the timeout. You can see this in the record. Also take note, you can check in and out multiple times in a single day depending on the situation, and you can always review the records afterwards. And that's it. You now know how to check in and out using the Tubo app. And that's how simple it is with Tubo.